everybody, it's Ryan G from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making chocolate brownies with candied bacon. Now I can show you the can of bacon recipe, that'd be up there. I made some earlier. I also knocked some up on the grill, I'll put some footage of that in, but the more detailed video will be up there, so please do check that out. This is the brownie recipe I'm going to be using. It's a Betty Crocker. It's quite easy to do. All you need is 1 egg, some water, oil and the brownie mix. I'll give you a run through on how to do that. So let's get to making these brownies, and I'm going to put them on the Weber kettle. So let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is add the brownie mix. Let's tip that in the bowl. Some people could probably make one. I'm not even going to pretend I know how to. If you do know how, hit me up in the comments. Right, so here's going to be our secret ingredient. Not so secret. Candied bacon. It's pretty good. So I'm going to start off by making a little well like that. I'm going to put the egg in it. This is a large egg. Just pop straight in. Then go in the bin. Then we're going to use some oil. This is sunflower oil. It did say vegetable oil, but I haven't got any, so I'm guessing sunflower oil will be okay. To that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons. So 1, 2. That's cool. And I'm going to add some water. And that is 60 milliliters, so I'll just do that here. And it just gets dumped in. Next thing to do, let's give it a bit of a mix. Okay, let's take a look at this bacon and give it a turn. Oh yeah, that's going really good. Right, we'll pull this off the barbie. Okay, so here's some candied bacon. Oh yeah, it picks it up all right. That could just be plopped in. Spoon the mixture in. It's already got some bacon in already. I'm probably gonna, well, I definitely am gonna add some more bacon in. I don't know if you can pick up the lumps in that, but yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm not gonna be too fussy, just gonna plop it in the middle and it should find its own level eventually. And smooth it over. Just like that. Let's do that ton of mix in here actually. Waste not, want not, I was always told when I was younger. My nan was right. And every last little bit. And smooth it out a bit. Into the corners and around. Cool. So next up, we're just going to sprinkle some bacon onto the top of the brownie mix. We've already got some in there. It's all going to be delicious, I can tell you that for nothing. Don't have to be too precious about it, just so it gets a good spread. Bacon makes everything better, right? If you're doubting, you got to try it. I've made it before in the summer and the sound didn't work, but the saltiness of the bacon and the chocolate works really great. There we go. And that'll sink in as it cooks. Light is going fast, so I'm going to put these on quickly. The grill is set to around 250 centigrade. We're going to come back in 10 minutes and turn them. My time has just gone off at 12.5 minutes. It takes 20 to 25 minutes to cook. So all I'm going to do now, open the lid, take a look, and spin around. It's not looking too bad, I don't think. I nearly actually went to grab that without any gloves. Just spin that around. Move it back a little bit. It's looking okay. I'll give it another 12.5 minutes and I'll see you in a sec. Got a toothpick. Stick that in. Oh no. Bit of a way to go yet. So as you can see, it's all out of the barbecue. Stick that in there. Nice and clean. And again, a little bit of goo. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let it cool down now for 5 minutes. If you're wondering why it's all screwed up around there, my missus gave me a top tip. If you scrunch it all up into a ball, you can push it into the corners really easy. So yeah, top tip from Mrs. G. Thanks, darling. I'm going to test take it out of this wrapping. I'll turn it out that way. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I'm surprised all that came out in one go. Flip it back over. There's the brownie. Just cut into this. Got one line down there. Swing it around. Couple down this way. Got a nice crunch to it. A little bit gooey as well, which is quite nice. Do the same on this end. Oh yeah. Cut them down into little bits, or nice chunks, should I say. Doesn't that look good? Right, next up, the taste test. So here we go. Here's the brownie. Don't it look beautiful? You can see the bacon in there. Let's focus on that so you can see it. Yeah, look at that. Isn't it nice? So taste test time. It's really good. You can see the chocolate. Bit of white chocolate. Some bacon there. Really tasty. So if you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. Check out the videos down there with Ryan G's barbecue and stuff. See you again soon. Hi everybody, today I'm going to be making